Alright, this is the elevator here at Sears at the Moorestown Mall, Moorestown, New Jersey.
I'll hit it when you do. This was originally an Otis.
Modernized by Schindler.
Modernized by Schindler. There's something wrong
That
with the
indicator is blank.
except for the arrow.
Yeah, except for the arrow.
As Kone chimes. Stand back there, maybe people. Oh, yep. I got that thing.
Alright.
B.
What is that noise?
I don't know.
Watch the button go out.
2. That one lights up. That one lights up yellow.
Yeah, and what does this one light up?
That one lights
Orange.
up red. B lights up red.
Still got the Otis logo, so this is the original cab.
Yeah, but they. Sorry. One. That one lights up yellow too. As we all know, the door close button does not work on Schindlers.
Alright. Hi, Nick.
Hey. It's an air freshener.
Yeah.
Wonder why they have
Here's
those
your
up
Otis
and down
sign.
buttons.
Oh, somebody's coming in.
Yeah.
Send it down.
Oh. I think they're going up actually. Because I heard it chime once.
Okay. We'll close up. There it goes, and that's it. Yep, it went up.